So this is the multifunctional sort of mini vacuum that was sent to me to try out, and I've always wanted one of these for my car, so I'm super happy. It's charged right underneath here by a USB-C cable, which it does come with, so you can definitely go ahead, charge it up, leave it in your car and use it. So a few different things. It has 2 different speeds. So it does have quite a bit of power. Now it does have the filter right in there, and it actually comes with an extra filter so that you don't have to worry about replacing that filter. Now to get in here, you just simply twist the top part, and then you're going to see this area where you can go ahead and sort of switch out the filters. To go ahead and actually empty this canister, this is the button right here, so you just flip it open and then you can go ahead and empty it. Now it comes with about 2 to 3, I would say, attachments. So the first one is going to be a nice small one to get those hard to reach crevices, and this attachment is going to go right here at the bottom, and you can go ahead and use it. Now the second and third attachment would be this sort of brush. So I love these are perfect for like your couch, chairs, or anything, couches, chairs, car chairs, seats and stuff like that. So I love this like brush aspect of it, which is great. Now this is the one that turns into 2. Once you pull this, you have 2 different pieces. So you have this sort of area so that you don't have to actually use the brush. So I guess it's technically 3 different attachments that you do get. And the last thing is it comes with a nice carrying bag so that you don't have to just leave this in your car, put it in your bag, easy to carry around. So as you saw in this video, it has been cleaning my car like a lifesaver. So I think this is a nice, and it's not too big, so it's definitely easy to transport and carry around.